Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTF. Do you like to be your dog's doorman? I know I wasn't really into that, and our dog wasn't very good at letting us know when he had to go to the bathroom either. But this is no longer a problem for our family because of High-Tech's Pet Door. This thing is the best thing you can buy if you have a dog. I have been telling everyone about this thing. So what's nice, this is so much better than a regular dog door because it will only open and close for your dog. They have a little chip on their collar and it will sense it. So when our little Lou gets so close to this door, it will automatically open. He can go out, do his business, play, and when he's ready to come back inside, he walks back up to it, it senses it, and the door opens again. It also allows you to have full control. So there are times where we want him out of the house for a little bit, so we just turn off the outside sensor. You can also turn off the inside sensor if you want him to be able to stay inside the house. It also is very easy to install. They've made it really secure so you don't lose any kind of security with locks with your patio door. One thing to keep in mind is that this does take away from the width of your patio door. So your patio door walkway that you walk through will be a little bit smaller. But my husband's 6'3", there's 5 of us going in and out all the time, and we've had no problem. But if you are having company over and you want to take it out so none of your guests have to worry about it, it's also very easy to remove again. It's just an Allen wrench and it lifts right up off of your door track. It also has a really nice security feature so you don't have to worry about the door closing on your pet or on a kid if they would try to get through with your pet. Our little Lou, it was very easy to train him to use it. It took a couple times of us taking him to the door, opening it, and kind of pushing him through. It scared him the first 5 times, but after that, he just goes in and out like crazy. It is so convenient. This thing is a complete game changer. If you have a dog, you need one of these.
But that's just our point of view.